In this video, I will show you how to download the Google Play Store or how to use Google Play services on your computer, whether it is Windows or Mac computer. Just like what you see here, this is WhatsApp Business, and you can download any other app you may want. So for example, to do this one, you need to go to your Google Play Store. You need to go to your Google Chrome, your browser, whichever browser you're using. Go to your browser and then type BlueStacks. And then let me explain to you. BlueStacks is a computer application that enables the Google Play services to work on your computer. Yeah, so or on the Android services, it enables the Android services and Google Play services. So in other words, it behaves like an Android phone. So that is how it enables you or it helps you to be able to download the Google Play services and Android services on your computer. So you go to bluestacks.com and then you see download BlueStacks. There are other versions and cloud-based versions and other versions available. So the most popular one that we all use or most people use is this particular version. So you click on download BlueStacks and then you install it. I have already downloaded and installed one, so I don't need to download again. But after you download and install it, when you see it like this, so you just come and click on it. Let me click on this one rather. So when you download it, please you come and click BlueStacks. You see BlueStacks 5. That's the version I'm using. Now when you open it, for the first time you may be asked to sign up with your Google account. And so you simply sign up with your Google account, just as you can see here. That's my Google account. If you have not signed up yet, they will just ask you to put your login details. So you log in to your Google account, and after you log in, you see just like the way your Play Store is on your app. So you see apps. So when you come to the apps, you see a list of popular apps you may need, and then you can also search. So for example, when I click on the search, for example, if I want to type WhatsApp, so you see you may need WhatsApp or you may need WhatsApp Business. So you see it's just there, so you can install it right away. If you need Facebook, so you can just, whether Facebook or Instagram or whatever, you can just install it. And the moment you install it and then log in, it will create a shortcut on your screen. So when you come and click on the app, it will just open to whichever Android app you want to use. So that is exactly how you can use, you can access Play Store services on your computer. And this, as I said, is for both Android, is for both Windows and Mac computer. And in addition, let me just add that you may see advert along, and you are seeing the advert because it's free. So the app, you don't pay for the BlueStack, is free. So you may see advert along, just like what I'm seeing here. So that is it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video. If you are also watching from Facebook, remember to follow our page. You can leave your comments in the comment section. If you have any problem, let us know. You can also contact us through the links in the description. I will leave WhatsApp and Telegram link. If you have any other, if you may need any of our services, digital marketing, web development, and all that, let us know. See you in the next video, and bye.